And good morning, Ron McGowan here with Guaranty RV in Junction City, Oregon. Going to give you a little video tour this morning of this beautiful 2019 front living room Chaparral Fifth Wheel. All right, we're going to start on the outside here and then we'll move inside. Starting with the outside, the first thing you're going to notice is this big front compartment. That's actually what we call a heavy front compartment. It's designed for heavier items. It's got a steel underlaying so you can put tools and all of your heavier items right there in the front. Easy access for when you're hooking and unhooking. We've got solar power connections right here for portable solar power, and also a front light with a switch on it, so it's easy to operate when you're hooking and unhooking at night, or you just want to see underneath the trailer. In addition, we've got this nice TPO front cap, which is a poly material front cap, so that helps make it lighter. Really nice custom design with a super tight turn radius for those short bed trucks. Coming around to the side, we've got a propane bottle on each side of the coach, a very large pass-through compartment, 110 outlet for television and cable, satellite hookups right there. So you can run a TV here, and in addition to running a TV right there, you can do it here on the side. So you've got the ability to put a television right here, again 110 outlets, cable and satellite hookups, outdoor speakers, large hot water heater capacity, very large full awning, electric awning with LED lighting behind it. Moving inside, you're going to notice, first thing you're going to notice is this nice solid step. These steps are great, very solid. They go right up, fold up very easily right inside, adjustable on both sides, so if you're on pavement that's unlevel, easy full grab handle right here. And as we move inside, all of your controls are right there by the entrance door. That's for everything, your water heater, your awnings, your slide outs, everything's right there, guys. This has got a really nice kitchen, lots of cabinetry above and drawers and additional cabinet space below with the Furrion oven and 3-burner stove. Nice double bowl sink, and you'll notice that you've got solid surface countertops in here. It's a really nice material, heavy duty material made for these. Lots of outlets. You've got 3 outlets on this counter. Really nice additional lighting underneath, all LED lighting throughout. You've got a ceiling fan over here. We've got a really nice pantry with additional drawer space and another spot where you could put a coffee pot, a blender, Instapot, whatever you've got going on. Nice dinette table, seating for 4, double door refrigerator, so it's an extra large capacity refrigerator. And this bedroom is just fantastic. Coming into the bedroom, nice king size bed, cup holders on both sides of the bed, USB ports, additional cabinets up top, again all LED lighting throughout. This is going to also be set up for washer dryer. So if you're spending extended time in this unit, it does have the washer dryer capacity, or of course you can use that for additional storage, along with the slide out that has additional wardrobe closet. Really nice, lots of nice storage in this coach. Set up for a television in here. Moving inside to the bathroom, you've got an extra large shower, and I'm a big guy, you can see, and I've got lots of room to move around here. You've got a seat here, porcelain toilet, nice medicine cabinet, sink. The nice thing I like about this sink is there's actually a place to put things. Along with the 110 power, lots of room to put your toiletry items. You've got a towel rack or a robe rack there, whichever you prefer to use it for. And you'll notice we've got a second door. That's a nice door to have. Can be used obviously for emergencies or easy access in and out of the bathroom while you're out camping. Coming up into the living area, fantastic living area. We've got two couches. Both of these couches make into beds, and they're not jackknife beds. They're actually tri-level beds. Nice large television, Furion television with a fireplace. Really nice bookshelves set up. And we move over here to the Thomas Payne furniture. You've got USB ports on the side of the furniture. So while you're sitting there, you can plug your phone in, your laptop. Nice additional cup holder with an armrest. On both of these slide outs, you're going to have windows that open so you can get cross ventilation air into the coach. Let's go outside and take a look at a couple other nice features of this coach. Moving to the back side, this is where your power outlet is, so the power outlet is out of the way. It's easily accessible no matter which side your post is sitting on. You've got a ladder to go up to the walk-on roof. It's also pre-set up for wireless backup camera, and it's got a small receiver hitch on the back so that you can put a rack back here or a bicycle rack. Moving to the side, it's your leveling system, so it's got a 4-point electric leveling system, and it's got your docking station all inside. So everything is right there and easy to get to. Battery disconnect is right there. Again, 4-point electric leveling system. One touch, boom, the coach levels. Really nice. So again, this is a 2019 Chaparral front living. If you have any questions on this or any other coach, you can contact me directly at 541-968-6010 or ron.mcgowan@guaranty.com. Thank you and have a great day.